So, I'm going to be doing voiceovers of my videos from now on. Now, I originally wanted to, like, record as I'm coding, but due to YouTube's verification issues, I can't really post anything that's past 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do from now on is I'll just finish the project and then do a commentary after. So, as you can see, here's my code right here. Let me just split the window here and open up live server. So here's what I worked on. A simple character info page of sorts. Now you'll notice there's a ton of lorem ipsum text right here because I couldn't really find much info about her. She hasn't been released yet after all. Now, as for the reason why I made this, let me just show you in freeCodeCamp real quick. Open that up. Here. So, this is the example that they gave. They wanted you to do a tribute page in this lab, but I made this here, and I just followed the same layout. Now these specifications right here, I didn't really follow them. The way I do it is I just look at the example right here, then make the project based on what I learned. Because the thing about the labs here is you're basically just ticking boxes. It's better you do it on your own first. Now, I chose to make a page about Dial-In because, like me, she works in customer service, which I am trying to get out of, as you guys might already know. Now, let's talk about my code. So here's my HTML. I probably should have used a figure element for the image, then added a fig caption instead, but I'll leave it like this for now. Then I also gave the link here a target of blank. So when you go to click the link, it opens up in a separate window, like so.
Meeting a new friend calls for good luck. Care to leave a 5-star review? Rep 2493, dial in! Happy to assist with your request.
Okay, there. And then we have the alt text right here. I can't really think of a good description for her, so just went with that. That's all I can say about the HTML. So let's move on to the CSS. Now, if you take a look at this part here, they also made sure that it scales nicely on different devices. Now, this is the first time I really went in depth with media queries. Now, if you guys would take a look here, just pull up DevTools, Control-Shift-I, then Device Toolbar. So as you guys can see, looks good on mobile, on a phone. Also looks good on tablet here, or iPads. So yeah, it scales up pretty nicely. No, wait, actually, now that we're looking at it, hang on, close out of that. Yeah, now that we're looking at it, it doesn't really seem too centered here. Let me see. It's probably for the tablet part. Let's take a look at the. Hmm, these parts right here, the this one, the code, the italic, and the paragraph elements here, they don't seem to be centered too well. Oh, okay, I got it now. I have these set to auto, and while these have fixed values. Okay, switching these to auto should hopefully do the trick. Come on. Okay. Open up live server again. Hmm. Okay, it's actually the same for the rest here. Let's see. 12 RAM. Let's make that auto. Give these ones auto too. Yeah, okay, yeah, that did it. Let's change the rest while we're at it. So auto, auto. How about for the mobile version? There it is. Let's make that auto, auto. Okay, that's better. Looks more like the example they gave. Okay, nothing like a little debugging while recording. Okay, going back to it now. Okay, I just realized that it doesn't really look like the example anymore, but I'll just fix that another time. Also, I just noticed too that there are like double quotes here, even though I just have like single double quotes. Or wait, will this do the trick? Hold on. What if I get rid of the quotations? Oh, okay, so that's how it is. So the code element automatically puts quotations. So okay, that's something new. Okay, so I ended up fixing it off cam. So before I end this, I just wanna take a look at this because I actually asked ChatGPT to polish my CSS. I haven't checked yet how this is gonna look compared to mine, so let's go ahead and take a look. Let's just change the linked style sheet here. Control S. Let's see how that looks. Maximize it. Yeah, it's not matching up with the layout that's like in freeCodeCamp here. Let's check for other screen sizes. Control Shift I. Let's look at it for mobile. I guess it looks okay on mobile. How about for tablet? Yeah, it doesn't match up. Hmm, okay. I'd say I actually did a better job than GPT then, but I guess this looks more clean compared to mine here. It's a little bit of a mess. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.